Beth?
In the luxurious condos, there's been an episode that has been found tested positive
Oh.
in the newly renovated.
Beth, this is supposed to be a positive video.
Oh, it is positive. I'm positively sure he tested positive.
Hey, Tony, with all the stuff's going on, we're still staying open. What are we doing to keep business going, selling bikes?
Keeping a positive attitude. Watch our customers come in here and smile.
Just letting everyone know that these are still available. We'll sell it, bring all the paperwork to you, have no tow come pick up your trade.
Can I call you guys?
We have a complete concierge service that we subscribe to now. We'll take your credit app over the phone. We'll pencil a deal over the phone. We'll send your paperwork out to you, pick up your trade, and deliver the motorcycle.
We'll even Lysol everything.
Is cleaning your fingers with a knife something you do regularly?
I'm checking for Corona under my nails.
Oh, no, I want to talk to him. Absolutely.
This might be a really bad time, actually. Hey, Ryan, a lot of departments are delivering and stuff like that as parts. Doing anything like that?
Oh, we always deliver.
We recently broke an entire phone by slamming it.
So if there's anything you need, whether it's a part, a quote, any of that kind of stuff, you can either call in, email us, do an online parts request. If you need it and you don't want to come in, we'll ship it to you, or we'll deliver it to you.
I know. He's gonna need.
We'll pick up and deliver bikes, parts. What do you make of all this?
Well, I think it's a wonderful idea because a lot of people don't want to come in. I mean, I had just gone off to the grocery store and people have all these gloves and everything else. Well, if we pick up and drop off, we even have like our outfits to be dressed in. I got everyone gloves. I got them little baby masks. We can do black and orange for whatever we got to do.
It just happened too that we hired a second driver, so we got extended capability to pick up and deliver motorcycles now. Also, we were actually hindered in the past. We are picking up motorcycles Sundays and Mondays as well. So 7 days free pickup and deliveries starting today.
I noticed that you have more hand sanitizers available. Is that something new?
Yes.
It seems like we really love our customers.
Well, I was just about to say that there's nothing that's too small for our customers. We would do anything for them.
Thanks, Beth.
You're welcome.
Okay, goodbye.
I do some work now.